This is a brief tutorial on the Tascam podcast kit. This tutorial will go over the basics of how to use the kit and its basic functions. In order to use the recorder with a micro SD card, you must first insert the card into the slot located underneath the dust cover on the right side of the unit, in here. To format the SD card, hit the menu button located underneath the power button, and then use the plus/minus buttons to toggle up and down to reach the menu labeled Others. Within that menu, toggle down to the menu labeled System, select it, then toggle down to the label titled Quick Format. Hit the right/fast forward button to toggle over to the label titled Exec, and hit the middle play button to select it. Hit the middle play button again to execute the formatting. Now, to escape the menu, hit the menu button twice. And then one more time to go back to the original screen. In order to use headphones, remove them from the kit bag and insert the headphone jack into the headphone/line out port on the left side of the Tascam unit. If you would prefer to play back audio recordings over the unit speaker, hit the menu button, toggle down to the speaker menu, and toggle the up and down buttons to turn the unit speakers on. Now you're ready to record. Press the record button, located on the right underneath the display screen, to test audio levels over the headphones. Press the record button again to begin recording. You will notice that the time counter on the bottom right of the display screen increases, and audio levels on the bottom left of the display screen respond to audio. To end the recording, hit the record button a third time. To play back your audio recording, first hit the home button, and then hit the menu button. Toggle down to the label titled Browse, select it, and then you're into your recordings. You'll see the recordings appear on the screen in descending order. Toggle up and down to highlight the desired recording, then hit the middle play button to enable playback. You'll notice that the time counter on the bottom right of the display screen increases. To use an external microphone, first grab the adapter cable from your bag. Plug the audio jack into the top of the Tascam unit, and then plug the female XLR end into the male XLR of your audio cable. Then, plug the female end of your XLR cable into the bottom of whatever microphone you choose to use. In order to use the double lav, take the audio jack end of your XLR cable, plug it into the top of your Tascam unit, and then take the female ends of your XLR cable and plug it into the lav mics that you want to use.